Hey guys, how you doing? It is Sascha.Chatman here again with my new construction series, and I'm walking you through, this time, a Pulte home. This is the Moorville model. It's the model home. Okay, we're at the enclave at Fossil Creek. Really nice neighborhood. They're going really fast. They are awesome. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it, but you know what I want you to do first? You know that. Make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe. Alright? Let's go ahead. Let's get it. Come on. Okay guys, when you first walk into this home, here's one thing I love about it. You automatically walk into a full-size bathroom right here when you first come in, and the first bedroom on the first floor. So this is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, okay? 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. You got 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 upstairs, okay? Now, check out this. Look at that formal dining. Now that is awesome. All right, we're gonna keep going. I want to keep showing you guys what this house looks like. If you keep going here, now remember it's a model home. You go right through here and you have this nice office, okay? I love their office. It's super awesome. So as you come into this 2,640 square foot home, when you walk in a little bit more, you see this really nice family room. Now what do you think? I think they decorated well. Comment down below, let me know if you think they decorated well. Now here's the kitchen, okay? Really nice kitchen. Okay, Whirlpool appliances. You can get a double oven, all right? Look at the size of that island. I mean, look at that. Look at the size of that island. That's nice. Hey, what's this behind me? Yes, they actually have an office, and they have a little office space right here too. So you can still work while you're in the kitchen. That's awesome. Let's keep going. Now, they have a first floor master, okay? And this is a nice size room. You can see how they decorated here, a pretty large bed. Okay, that is a king, all right? So that's gonna work. All right, and then look at this, okay? Look at this master bathroom. It's nice. Large shower. Now, someone asked me, make sure you show the closet. Okay, I'm gonna show the closet because that's what the ladies like. I hear you guys. I wanna make sure I obey. There you go. That is a nice size closet though. I mean, look at that. That's a nice size closet. Now, when you get upstairs, you have another really nice family room, okay? And it is open, so you can look down towards the bottom. Look at that. That's super cool. Like I said, this one has 2 bedrooms, okay, upstairs. So you have a really nice bedroom right here. That's really nice. I love how they decorated it. I'm telling you. Do you like how they decorated? Comment down below. Let me know. I do like what they did with this on the staging. All right, and then here is the bathroom. Just a bathroom for the kids. And here is the second bedroom upstairs. So it's really nice. And
what's up, guys?
oh, we got a surprise guest. This is Sascha Jr. Say hey.
Hey.
Now this could be your room because you need a desk so you can work and you can hang your stuff up too. What should they do?
They should buy this house right now.
And they should also
subscribe.
That's right.
Hit that button.
Hit that button. Okay, and this is where we're going to end our tour today. Okay, this is an upgrade. Okay, this makes the house a little bit more. Normally this house is around $318,000, but if you want to get this room right here, if you want to get this upgraded, super nice theater room, they move it up a little bit more. Okay, they told me $418, but no, I can get y'all a deal much better than that. You know that I can. All right, so listen, I am Sascha.Chatman here in Fort Worth, your local realtor here showing you new construction homes. Remember, you need representation on your home. No matter what transaction you're doing, you need representation. So if you're doing new construction, give me a call and I will guide you through the process. And if I'm not in your area, I can recommend you to someone. There's a lot of great agents out there throughout the nation that I know who will take care of you just as much as I will take care of you. All right? Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you like this home, hey, give me a like and let me know. Give me a call. 817-668-0311.
All
right. See you guys. Bye.